honestly, I would say as a lawyer that if you look at the judgment, State of Goa and stakeholders were never heard. It is a judgment of the Supreme Court which is binding. And when the Supreme Court has issued directions, they have specifically said that these are directions under Article 142. That is, when there is no law, they can issue directions. It is a law which is binding for the whole country. There's no question of filing a separate petition. There's no question of approaching High Court, because High Court cannot overrule a Supreme Court decision. Nor would it be proper to approach the Supreme Court itself by a separate petition. The proper course would be to go for a review petition. And in review, the grounds could be taken. One, that state was not heard, place the material of the stakeholders which would be affected. Also, I feel the state government should carry out the exercise of showing that merely demarcating 500 meters from the highway, state or national highway, does not carry out the objective of what the direction is sought to be achieved. If somebody has a bar 600 meters away, then a person can go and drink there 600 meters away and then come on national highway, and he has now become sobered down by the time he has reached the highway, and then he can continue driving as if he was and nothing happened. We have even seen instances of people carrying bottles in the car and drinking. If you don't get it close by, you will carry it.
Supreme Court statistics judgment pass kela. Now if you have a statistics which counter that statistics, which says that we are actually implementing that provision because of which consumption by drivers is not much, and therefore Goa's situation is totally different. Therefore, review घालचे पेक्षा कित्याक review एकदा Supreme Court already judgment दिल्लो आसा आता, a fresh petition, file a fresh petition, make the declaration that this is just allowed thinking that तो judgment आमकां लावचो न्ही कित्याक आमची situation totally different आहा हांगा. But provided our statistics is like that. आमची statistics study करून detail find out करून, then they can actually plan a particular strategy under which they can approach the Supreme Court, whether in a review also, whether in a independent petition also. But this is important. Then you are on merits. Then you are on facts, hard facts. That आमच्या गोंयांत परिस्थिती अशी ना जी आख्या इंडियेंत आहा. Therefore, जो कायदो केला, and for example, state was not a party there. State of Goa was not a party. The matter came from Madras. So State of Goa could not present its case before the Supreme Court. If perhaps it was presented, Supreme Court could have passed different directions to Goa. So this they can consider an approach.
अबकारी खात्याचो आयुक्त मिनेन डिसूजा सांगता ते प्रमाण तालुका पावंड्यावयल्यो समित्यो हायवे कडेक आशिल्ल्या बाराचो सर्वे करतात. मांडवीन आशिल्ले कसिनो सुद्दां हायवेच्या 500 मिटरा भितर येत जाल्यार तांकां सोरो दिवपाक मेळचो ना. खाते खंय कमिटीच्या रिपोर्टाची वाट पळयतात.
500 meters potential सगळ्या लागतले काजिनोच कितें hotel of anybody who comes 500 meters इतलेची मिस्टर.
So now you are doing a survey.
आमचे मामलादार किंवा आता सर्वे करपाक लागले न्हू, सो एक्झॅक्ट आमकां कळटलें खंयचे येता खंयचे येना तेजे प्रमाणे न्हू. इफ काजिनो ऑल्सो इज देयर, डेफिनेटली एवरीबडी हॅज टू फॉलो द लॉ. व्हाय देर विल बी सेपरेट लॉ फॉर काजिनो? नाव कितें आहा, ऑल लायसन्सीस कमिंग विदिन 100 फॉर सेल ऑफ लिकर विदिन 500 meters ऑफ द आउटर रोड. सो ज्यो कितले लायसन्स आहा तितल्याची आमी सर्वे करता. आतां कोणाक लागता कोणाक लागना ते ऑर्डर कर मॉडिफाय जालें जाल्यार पळयतले. सद्याक एज इट स्टँड लागता ते सगळ्यांक. वेदर इट इज अ काजिनो, वेदर इट इज अ 5 star, or whether it is a small A, सगळ्यांक सेम फायदो. सर्वे जाल्यार आमकां कळटलें एक्झॅक्टली हा ना.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.